NASA successfully landed its Perseverance rover on Mars, and China recently successfully landed its first rover there. Scientists have been wondering what life would be like on Mars for years, but it looks like we may be getting close to an answer now. Over the years, nations exploring beyond our planet have become fascinated with the red planet. More recently, an influx of new revelations has transformed our understanding of Mars thanks to the relentless pursuit of knowledge. So began the search for life on Mars. Each agency sent a rover into Martian territory, where it uncovered a wealth of new information that completely changed how we thought about the mysterious planet. In light of these recent discoveries, you may be wondering how these two organizations approach the Martian planet differently. The current episode will contrast NASA and CNSA's most recent methods for Mars missions. If you enjoy watching videos like these, subscribe to our channel. The latest finding in China: Chinese researchers have made a new discovery while analyzing data from China's Geron Mars rover. This finding has confirmed changes in the Martian environment's wind and sand activities that may provide helpful information for forecasting climate changes on Earth. The findings of this research have been published online in the prestigious scientific journal Nature. This milestone has been shared by the Chinese government. The Lunar Exploration Project has posted a clap on its official WeChat account. Among the planets in our solar system, Mars stands out as one that bears a striking resemblance to Earth. It is thought that Mars' current state and evolutionary history may provide a window into Earth's future, so the study of Mars' climatic evolution has captured the attention of the scientific community. Although a research associate at the National Astronomical Observatory of China, Chinese Academy of Sciences, explained that wind and sand activities can be said to have recorded the characteristics of the late evolution and recent climate environment of Mars as well as the process of its climate change. We still know very little about how to approach this important scientific inquiry due to the lack of detailed and systematic scientific observations and at close range. Through meticulous analysis of the data gathered, the researchers revealed significant evidence indicating changes in the wind patterns in the area where Geron touched down on Mars. The rover conducted a combination of remote sensing and proximity investigations within its designated landing area on Mars. Strong agreement between this data and the ice dust particles found in Mars' high latitudes led scientists to hypothesize that the landing location may have had two distinct climatic periods, each of which was marked by changes in the direction of the dominant winds. Surprisingly, the wind shifted from the northeast to the northwest by over 70 degrees. This alteration in wind dynamics caused the wind-sand accumulation pattern to change from crescent-shaped bright dunes to elongated dark sand ridges. The change in climate occurred roughly 400,000 years ago, corresponding with the end of the most recent ice age on Mars. The CLEP stated that this outstanding research has given important insights into Mars's past climate history. This climatic shift is thought to have been caused by variations in Mars's axial tilt, which led to a worldwide transition from an ice age to an interglacial epoch. It has provided a fresh perspective for understanding the climatic circumstances on Mars in antiquity and has placed substantial restrictions on global climate models of the Martian environment. The fact that this research may have an impact on our understanding of Earth's future climate, according to Lai Chunlei, highlights the research's wider implications. This revelation raises the possibility that investigating Mars' historical climatic changes may provide information about the future course of Earth's climate. U.S. discovery. The excavation of ancient dirt by NASA's Mars rover has produced a startling finding that might completely alter our perception of the planet's viability as a host. NASA's curiosity about cracks in the Martian rover is idling. These mud fractures, a reminder of previous wet and dry seasons, have aroused curiosity and excitement in the scientific community because they suggest a possible past in which Mars may have supported microbial life. While these mud cracks are not the first indications of Mars' potential to support life, they do provide yet another compelling piece of the puzzle, underscoring the potential for curiosity to uncover even more tantalizing clues since its touchdown on the Martian surface in 2012. This revelation serves as a pivotal addition to the growing body of evidence that suggests Mars was once a more hospitable environment than previously envisioned. In 2021, the car-sized Curiosity rover began a mission of unparalleled exploration. As it ascended the towering Mount Sharp and the Gale crater, it came across a group of exquisitely preserved ancient mud cracks. This discovery could potentially transform our understanding of Mars' climatic history and its ability to support life. The significance of these mud cracks lies in their resemblance to distinctive hexagonal patterns. Cycles are similar to the weather patterns that exist on Earth. Leading author William Rapet built on the discovery in a groundbreaking work published in the prestigious Journal of Nature. This is the first direct evidence we've seen that the climate of ancient Mars was so consistently wet and dry. Cycles. Dry-wet cycles are essential to the molecular evolution that may produce life, and they may even be necessary in certain cases. Curiosity's painstaking examination of the Pontours area, where these mud cracks were initially discovered, revealed a complex tapestry of minerals. Particularly the mud cracks were found in a transitional zone, providing a glimpse into a crucial phase where prolonged dry spells took precedence, causing the regression of the once expansive lakes and rivers within the Gale crater. The area is characterized by a juxtaposition of clay-rich sections indicative of past water presence and sulfate-rich portions hinting at periods of desiccation. When mud dries, it fractures into T-shaped junctions and then Y-shaped structures when exposed to water repeatedly over an extended period of time. This complex process results in the preservation of hexagonal patterns that resemble echoing waves. The geological fabric of Mars contains a narrative of environmental changes. Those moist and dry. While it's important to keep in mind that these mud cracks are not an isolated revelation, cycles are intertwined with the production of polymers, the fundamental building blocks of life. Mesa adds that their discovery is a significant advance for the body of evidence, which also includes earlier hints of Mars' habitability. Adds synergistically to a more detailed and thorough understanding of the history of the planet, and when new discoveries are made, the possibility for more discoveries increases, capturing the interest of both scientists and amateurs. The importance of both missions. Humanity's imagination and curiosity have reached previously unheard of heights as a result of our quest for knowledge about the universe beyond our own. NASA and the China Space Agency's concerted efforts in exploring Mars have produced amazing insights that are reshaping our understanding of the Red Plan and its potential significance to the larger cosmic narrative. Missions like the Curiosity rover, which has been on a voyage of scientific discovery since its historic landing in 2012, are proof of NASA's unwavering dedication to solving the planet's mysteries. The recent discovery of ancient mud cracks by Curiosity has provided a significant layer to our understanding of Mars's history. Similarly, the China Space Agency has been making outstanding advancements in Martian research, as seen by the results of the Charon rover. Our understanding of the planet's geological and climatic evolution has expanded because to China's approach to Mars research, which identified variations in wind and sand dynamics on the Martian surface. Important information on historical climatic changes was discovered. By actively advancing the world's understanding of Mars, this finding serves as a tribute to both China's technical might and the collaborative character of scientific study. The significance of a coordinated effort in understanding the intricacies of celestial things beyond our grasp is emphasized by the China Space Agency. The importance of MESA's and the Chinese Space Agency's endeavors goes well beyond astronomical exploration. These missions demonstrate the significant influence that scientific inquiry may have on technical developments and our collective knowledge. Exploration of Mars presents a rare chance to deepen our understanding of the history, present, and future of our own planet because of its Earth-like characteristics and ability to support life. Understanding the climatic processes on Mars and Earth in comparison might be very helpful for foretelling and preventing climate change on our planet. The identification of probable historical microbes. Life on Mars governs our drive to answer one of humanity's most important questions. Are we alone in the universe? Much is made of the contrast between CNSA and NASA's approaches to Martian missions. It is time to wrap this one up. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and we will address them. As usual, subscribe our channel to never miss out, and we will see you in the next one.